Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a level to your room on the Room Planner application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and then select a room. Tap on it. And now you should tap on the three dots icon. Scroll down till you find this add level button indicated with the plus icon. Here you should select whether you would like to add a level or add a lower level. So click on the relevant one and you should type in the new level name, which is now set to second floor. Tap on add level. And now, as you can see, you are now at the second floor. So if you tap on it, the second floor option in the upper left corner, you will be able to select the first floor if you want to edit it, or you can go back to the second floor. If you tap on the 3D option, here you can see that you are on the second floor, and here you can see the first floor as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.